Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird, and my mouth is very swollen, as you can see. I've been getting my teeth fixed, and it's a slow process because they have to do 2 or 3 teeth at a time. Thank you for those that reached me to say maybe we should knock them all out at the same time. I mean, it sounds like a good idea, but he said that would make matters worse since I'm hurting right now. If you take all of them out, I'm going to be hurting 10 times greater. Like, it'll be bad. So I did go to the ER again last night, and they put some shot in both sides of my cheek to help numb it. And then I went and saw my dentist today, the student. There's several students working on my mouth. And it was a male, and so he and I discussed that I might be able to go partially under, what is that called? Like laughing gas? I forget what it's called, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Like that, I would just breathe that in and, like a kind of a stronger local.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys want to say hi to Gerald? There's Gerald, and where is Yorgie?
Yorgie's right there.
Oh, there he is. He's blending in with the wall. And then there's Snoopy. Snoopy's anxious for me to open this box, so
Yeah,
you guys don't want to hear any more boring stories about my dental. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you about my mouth. So I am on strong meds. They're kind of working. They're just making me more tired, but I got this. Okay, this is again from Cynthia, and I think this one, she raided the Dollar Tree, and she told me about it. Like, there were great deals. I think she has to go to Texas from where she lives. I think she's in Oklahoma. I think,
yeah,
let me look. I don't want to dox her. Yeah, I always forget. I keep thinking she's in Georgia. I just didn't want to show her address on here. But, yeah, so she and her husband go to Texas. Are you trying to open that? And they have a better selection of stuff at that Dollar Tree. So she's a real hoot, you guys. I wish everybody can meet her. She's mostly on TikTok under Cynthia Melton. She's trying to get to 10K. She's almost there. Go check her out. She usually does makeup hauls, and she turned her she shed or she room into a beauty room. All right, Snoopy, let's stand back, babe. What's in there? Let me cut this side right here. Without cutting myself. I almost did. Oh my god. Okay, so Cynthia found these. What do you think, Snoopy? Let's go over here. Let's see if I can switch sides. We'll go like this. Oh wait, I'm not showing her address. There you go, Snoopy. What is this? Okay, so she found 2 for $1 of this cellophane vinyl paper, which is, this one says permanent glitter paper. That's really pretty. And you guys know I could do a lot with this stuff. You could use it in your card making, jar decorations, junk journal covers, pretty much everything. This one's really pretty. I like that one. And then this one, let's see what this one is. I think it's just black. It doesn't say. And some gold. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, and some of these say iron on. This one says iron on. My son, I gave him that little tiny iron from Temu with a tiny little ironing pad. So I'm going to ask him, since you're not using it, can I borrow it? Can I have it? Isn't that pretty? What do you think, Snoopy? He smells her dogs. Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I smell something in here. It smells good. Ooh, this one's pretty. That one's green. Okay, there's pink, white, lighter pink. Ooh, that's pretty. Striped paper.
Nice.
Another pink. Oh, this one's shiny teal. Teal. Another pink. Light pink. I think this is a deep navy blue. Ooh, that's pretty. Another green or teal. Snoopy's like, what is all this stuff? Yeah, she found a bargain, guys. Ooh, that's a pretty red. Like a reddish orange. Isn't that? Yeah, it's kind of a reddish orange, huh, Gerald? Don't you think?
Yeah.
And this one's a really soft pink. And gold. So that's that on the cellophane. Okay, here we go. Purple ribbon. My goodness. Look at these. Ribbon. That one's looking for something like this so I can wire some beads on it and make some more jewelry pretty soon. This is beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Wow. You guys see it? That's really pretty. That's really cute. Fake fruits and vegetables. There's some bananas, oranges, and look at that, bell peppers. Oh my gosh. I have to make like a cute little project with this stuff and like display it in our kitchen. Oh my gosh. You guys know I like my fake fruits and vegetables. I've got like big ones. Look at these tiny ones, Gerald.
Oh, cool.
Look, there's like peppers in there and oranges and grapes, bananas. Okay, more fake fruit. This one looks like an apple or a pear. There's some grapes, bananas again. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And whatever I don't use, I can make something else for somebody. How adorable. Oh my god, look at these. Wow, Cynthia. Look at these, you guys. Aren't those cool, Snoopy? I keep calling him Yorgie. Where is Yorgie again? Oh, there he is. There's Yorgie! Those are really pretty. Ooh, some more. These are round.
If the flag was on us or if it was on the
on the other team. I think it's on the other. Yeah, you can't lick inside my mouth, baby. Both of my dogs smell stuff. Yeah, I love you. Mwah, I love you. Okay, so this is a bumblebee. And I think I'm going to incorporate this with a bumblebee project that I have in store here pretty soon. So that's pretty ironic. We're on the same wavelength all the time. We always laugh about that, huh, Cynthia? What's this one? What are these? Deluxe Wild Wire Enjoy. Oh, I think you were mentioning this. Wrap wire around with wire writer. Okay, that's what this wire is for. Design a greeting card. Design jewelry. Twist and curl wire with wire bead maker. Oh, that's so cool. Here's all the things that you can do. You see that? Okay, thank you, Snoopy, for cleaning my ear. But it's all in here. Oh, that is so neat. Hopefully I can figure it out. I should be able to. At least you got the instructions in there. That's so neat. That's pretty. Look at this. Oh, that's really beautiful. Aren't those pretty to make a nice card? I need to make one for my my first in-laws, which would be my first ex-husband's parents, and well, duh. They're like amazing to me. Like late 80s, still traveling, and they never slow down. I've known them as long as I've known Gerald, roughly. I've known you 36 years. I've known them about maybe 32 to 34.
Yeah.
Something like that. But she sent me a nice card, and she and Kenneth signed it, and they were asking if I started dialysis yet, and so I'm going to send them a card. I'll probably have to send it to their home address out here because they should be coming back to Colorado any day now. Every year for the last 50 plus years, they've been going to New Hampshire, which is a colonial home on Kenneth's side of the family. Very old. I want to say the 1700s, but I don't remember the exact year. So yeah, they spend time up there for 6 months out of the year. But I really like this. That's beautiful. And then I've bought these before from Dollar Tree. These are fun. They kind of remind me of Egyptian. You know what I mean? Like little Egyptian jewelry. Okay, now I don't know if she wants me to open that. I think that's a Christmas bag. And then there's some, are these like little eggs? They are. They're like little eggs. I could put those with those animals, those plastic animals she got me. And if I was supposed to save it for Christmas, I'm sorry. Stickers. These are so pretty. Those are nice. Okay. In this bag, she unloaded more makeup than I planned. Let's check this out. This is going to have to probably... Let's make this a two-part video. Why don't we do that? I will end it here. Thank you, Cynthia. And I will make another video. Peace out.